A few weeks ago, I gave you a word which had a lot of connotations, like different connotations. Today I'm back with another word. When you look at those different meanings, and there are going to be 3-4 meanings, in a way they might look like different interpretations of the same connotation or expression. True, that is the case. But in different scenarios, we want to give it a different meaning. Like I said, the perception is going to be the same. So, what are the different scenarios? A cloud of smoke, a cloud of dust that makes it sort of difficult for you to breathe or difficult for you to see things ahead. Second, a sort of a flurry of activity, a lot of activity happening very quickly, and again it becomes slightly difficult for you to actually comprehend what is happening or make sense of the sequence or try to even predict what will happen next. Third meaning, a sort of an extraordinary controversy or aggressive debate over a very small topic or a very small discussion. Like everybody jumps into the discussion with a lot of aggression. You're like, whoa, what just happened? So because it is extraordinary, because it is sort of exaggerated, again, you can't really predict. One, you don't know why it happened. Two, you can't even see the sense of it. And three, therefore you cannot even predict what next. And therefore, the fourth meaning, mental turmoil. You are in a flux of emotions. You are in such an upset mood that you just can't think. You can think, but you can't see or think or plan or predict beyond a certain point. I give you 4 different interpretations. Mental turmoil, a cloud of dust or a cloud of smoke, a sort of a flurry of activities happening so quickly that you can't even predict or you can't make sense of much of it, and an exaggerated controversy or discussion over something that is pretty trivial. For all of these, we have a noun, pother. Whichever context you use, you can say it is pother. On the other hand, you can also say he was put into a pother after looking at his results. He was put into a state of mental turmoil after he looked at his results. Or this matter has been in a pother for a while. This matter has been discussed, debated at an extraordinary level. It's a small matter. There's a huge amount of debate going on. Transitive usage, put into a pother. Intransitive usage, to be in a pother. These are the verb forms. Noun forms I've already said. 4 different interpretations. One word, pother.